Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys two beauty tips. First, fast ways to grow your hair long, and secondly, how to treat facial acne and having an even toned skin. These are all natural ingredients. Basically, these are what you can find in your kitchen. You don't even have to stress yourself at all. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. So let's get started. First, we are going to need aloe vera gel. Applying aloe vera into your scalp and hair improve damaged hair and dry hair. Secondly, we're going to be using coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to fight against lice, dandruff. It helps to moisturize dry hair. It also prevents hair breakage and split ends. Next, we're going to be using honey. Honey is a natural antioxidant. It tends to make your scalp healthy and stimulate hair growth. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals. And I'm going to mix that properly until everything. Next, I'm going to split my hair into two and then apply the mixture into my hair scalp and then the tip of the hair. Next, I'm going to cover this up with my shower cap and leave it for about 3 to 4 hours before washing with a light shampoo. So for the facial mask, we're going to be using turmeric powder. We're also going to be using tomatoes juice. The enzymes in tomatoes offer exfoliation benefits that help to get rid of dead skin and blackheads. It protects against sun damage and it promotes cell regeneration. So I'm going to mix that very well, and I'll also need a makeup brush to apply this on my face. I'm going to leave this on my face for about 30 to 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. So guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.